Hello friends, today I come with a fresh topic called audit sampling. The agenda of our today video is meaning of audit sampling, characteristic of population and type of audit sampling. What is population? I explain you ahead. Okay, so let's start with the one by one. Let's start with the meaning. Okay, so if we see in simple language, what is audit sampling, guys? When the auditor go for an audit, there are some time limit, therefore it can't assess the each and everything of the data. Therefore it results in sample, means he choose the sample from entire data, means the entire data here called as population. He choose the sample from population and then he draw conclusion about the entire population. Okay, so let's read out the definition. The application of audit procedure less than 100% of item within the population. Of course, 100% less than 100% because it is sample and we can't choose each and everything. So okay, less than 100% of item within the population. Population means the data from the auditor chooses the sample. Okay, of audit relevance such that all sampling unit have a chance of selection in order to provide the auditor with a reasonable basis on which to draw conclusion about the entire population. All sampling would have a chance of selection means the transaction are not repetitive, so that the conclusion drawn, it should be appropriate. Okay, so okay, yeah, this is the definition. If we see ahead, features of audit sampling, it covered in definition itself. Okay, so see, audit less than 100% of item, all sampling have a chance to be selected. Last but not the least, objective of audit is to evaluate a characteristic of account balance or type of transaction. Means sample may be on account balance or type of transaction, both are involved in audit sampling. Okay, next is characteristic of population, means the data from which sample should be chosen. What is the characteristic of population? It should be appropriate, it should be complete, it should be reliable. See, when the population itself is correct, then the drawn conclusion automatically should be not gone wrong, means it should be always be correct. Therefore population always be appropriate, means it should be correct, it should not be incomplete, it should be complete and reliable, means it should be relevant to our businesses. Okay, so yeah, this is the basic characteristic of population. If we see next, what is type of audit sampling, guys? Statistical and non-statistical. In statistical, there is mathematical rule, probabilities involved, means auditor auditor able to evaluate the percentage of risks involved in it. Okay, but in non-statistical there is nothing like that. It is only based on auditor's experience and auditor's judgment. See, in statistical, it throughout the application of mathematical rule, it allow the quantification of sampling risks in planning the sample and evaluate the result. Example, here the here 5% is calculated as sampling risks. Okay, in non-statistical, auditor does not quantify sampling risks. Of course, instead those sample item that auditor believe will provide the most useful information in the circumstances are selected. Conclusion are reached about population on judgmental basis. The selection of non-probability sample is often termed judgmental sampling. In some time, non-statistical sampling called as judgmental sampling because it only based on auditor experience and auditor judgment. It does not involve any probability, mathematical rule, anything else. Okay, so this is the basic meaning of statistical and non-statistical sampling, guys. And if further, there are many type in non-statistical sampling which I covered in next video. Yeah, so the remaining part of audit sampling I cover in next video, guys. Thank you. Up to that. Bye bye.